Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Red Clapp's favorite pear, or Kalle Pear. My understanding is that this is a sport or a red version of the original Clapp's favorite pear. And the sport was discovered by a man named Kalle up in Michigan. But it has got to be. I always thought that my Ubaline pear was beautiful, but this is just this is a notch above. We did thin the fruit out when it started to set in the spring, but these pears are really big. I mean, they're really nice looking, large pears. It's an early pear for us. A little later than Ubaline. It's kind of mid-September here, and so for a lot of places in the States, this might be considered a summer pear. But you can see here on the ground, we had our first fall there, and it's mid-September, so that means this is ready to pick. Another reason we can tell it's ready to pick is because it's getting a little softer on the branch. So we'll probably go ahead and pull these. This is Red Clapp's favorite pear, also known as Kalle Pear. It's great for the mid-season, early to mid-season pears. What a beautiful pear, and it tastes great.